Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign in Adobe Acrobat in 2024. So firstly, let's go to Adobe Acrobat. Then if you want to sign in, you have to go top right corner, this profile icon. You can see here, right, the cursor. Click on this and click on Adobe account. I have already signed in. Now you have to give here your email address. I'm giving this email address. Click on continue. Click on Google, continue with Google, then give again your email address, then you have to give the password and click on next. Okay, I have some wrong password, but you have to click the right password here. After putting the right password, click on next. After clicking on next, it will ask you for your phone number. You can skip that part. Just click on skip and your account will be created and you will be signed in. Okay, so guys, this is how you can sign in. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.